Okay, so how do I solve for c when finding the equation? So let's look at this equation here that they have. Okay, so right here we have a parabola, and we have this equation of a parabola here that he is using in order to get it, where he takes the vertex, or he or she, not, you know, and then they take the vertex and they plug it in here. So first of all, let's just go over the equation of a parabola, the standard form. So for a vertex a comma b, right? So any vertex of a parabola, we could say that the equation of that parabola is y minus, oh my bad, y minus b squared equals to 4p times x minus a squared. Okay, so in this case, he or she has a c instead of a p. That's fine. For this example, I guess I can get rid of this p and use a c. And we want to find how to find this value of c. Well, first let's plug in the value of the vertex that is in this parabola. So the value of the vertex is minus 5, minus 5 comma 4. Okay, so this being the x value, this being the y value. So we're going to plug them in respectively for being a and b as our vertex, and the standard form is going to look like this. So we're going to have y minus 4 squared is equal to 4c times x minus negative 5, which is x plus 5 squared. Now, the question, how do you find c? You find c by taking any other point on the parabola and testing it and seeing what the value of c would be. So a good point here to take would be, for example, this intersection of this line and parabola. So that's minus 4 comma 6. So test minus 4 comma 6. And by doing so, we're going to plug in 6 for our y. So we're going to have 6 minus 4 squared. 4c, we don't know c, that's what we're looking for. And then we're going to have x plus 5 squared. X in this case is minus 4, so minus 4 plus 5 squared. And we're going to get 2 squared is equal to 4c times 1 squared. And then 2 squared is 4, 1 squared is 1, is equal to 4c. And we're going to get that c is equal to 1 ultimately. So we solve for our value of c, and because this point holds on any arbitrary point, it's also going to hold on this vertex. That's just something that we know. Alternatively, we could have tested it on this point right here, which is another obvious point right here. So that's minus 1 comma 0. We probably could have tested on that point as well, but this looked like a much easier point, and we will still end up getting the same value of c. So ultimately, our final equation of the parabola is going to be 4 times c, which is 1, so I'm just going to leave it as 4, times x plus 5 squared. So this is it right here. And so this person also recommended to use the same point and get the value of c. So after plugging in x comma y equals minus 4 comma 6, we solve for c and get c equals 1. Good job. All right. Okay. And that is all the questions that we have for this session here. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and once again, if you need any more help, homework help, or tutoring services or anything like that, please check out the links in the description. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.